anytime soon.
No, it's not. And I'm getting so many reports too of people just, which, you know, not the focus area, the main highways, but neighborhood roads going up hills, cars are not able to make it up the hill, and it's creating big problems, and I just suspect that's going to get worse. Temperatures are not going to go back up again. This isn't going to be a freezing rain event where we're looking at ice, but snow is going to be sticking around, and we're going to see it through tomorrow morning, and we could continue to pick up snow through tonight, and with some wraparound moisture possibly, northern portions of the Willamette Valley into central Willamette Valley could see a little bit more light snow even as we head towards midnight. The good news is when you wake up tomorrow morning, there won't be anything falling from the sky, but there still will be that potential for some of those typical road problems that we see whenever the snow comes down. Here's a look at the radar, and you can see shower activity coming down everywhere, and it's coming down as snow just about everywhere, with the exception being on the immediate coast where we're seeing mainly just a cold rain. But even out towards Tillamook, we're seeing a bit of a mix. Salem is getting snow. Corvallis and down towards Eugene, we've had reports of freezing rain there, between 1/4 of an inch, if not a little bit more, of freezing rain. That's the only area where we're seeing that kind of a wintry, icy mix. You get up towards Salem again, and everything is snow, and we think it'll stay that way as we go through the night. We're just not going to see a lot of that warm air moving up to the north. Back through the gorge, we had blowing snow, Gresham, out along I-84. Blizzard-like conditions being reported over and over again because we have winds blowing at nearly 30 miles an hour, gusting to 40 miles an hour and higher, especially as you head east. And even if the snow is not accumulating on the roads, it's blowing so hard it's reducing visibility. And then, of course, it's very, very cold on top of that, too. So if you get stuck, these are not the conditions you want to be in. So please be safe and don't be out if you don't have to be. Of course, we've had some northern progression with this system. So we're starting to see the snow even get north of Longview and north of Amboy. So this system is taking more of a northerly track. We talked about that yesterday. It looked like it was going to stay more on a southerly track. There was that slight chance it could head north, which means slightly higher snow totals for Portland. It also meant that the snow would get farther north of Battleground, and that's what we're seeing. And so we could see maybe an inch or two there, 1 to 3 inches, if not more, in Portland. Most areas already reporting between at least ½ an inch to an inch on the ground, back towards Gresham too. And then, of course, out towards the Coast Range, we're getting some of that snow coming down there. The hardest hit area, obviously, Central Oregon, down towards Bend, Lapine, over in Madras, where we've already had a foot of snow reported. Winter storm warnings in effect until midnight. Right now in Monmouth, Western Oregon University, snow continues to come down. 29 degrees. The winds are a little lighter there. Here's a live picture from our camera, and you can see visibility very low at this point, so that's not going to help anything out. Look at the wind gusts. Again, 40-mile-an-hour gusts in Corbett. Troutdale, 30-mile-an-hour gusts, but that doesn't even take into account that the winds are just steadily blowing at about 25 to 30 miles an hour. So afternoon and evening, snow continues, 1 to 3 inches. Some isolated spots could, of course, see maybe up near 4 inches. Central Valley, 2 to even 6 inches will be possible. And then for the gorge, 2 to 4 on the western end, 3 to 6 east. We've already had a report of 3 inches of snow over in the Dalles. So we're seeing that pick up. Here's Skamania catching a little break from the snow. Bend hit very hard by the snow, and again, it's going to continue to pile up. Back towards Government Camp, very snowy conditions there on the roads as snow levels are down to the valley, again, at sea level. And then Willamette Pass, of course, all snowy there too. Rain and snow forecast, so not much in the way of rain. It's just too cold for that. So we're going to continue to see this lift to the north. As we head towards 10 p.m., you can see most areas down south have cleared out, but there's that possibility of wraparound moisture from Portland, a little to the north and west, up near Longview, and then out to the gorge that could keep some of the snow around through midnight. After midnight, everything's winding down. And again, when you wake up tomorrow morning, nothing falling from the sky, but we could still see tricky road conditions. And that morning commute could be a headache as well, and we may see a lot of schools go on delay. Your snow total forecast here, you're going to see the highest totals again down towards Bend, but we're starting to see those totals creep up, especially up into southwest Washington, where again, most of us anywhere from 1 inch to 3 inches, and then we'll have those isolated areas, especially South Metro, that may pick up a little bit more than that. Temperature-wise, 20s. Temperatures are not going to go up anytime soon. As we take a look at how the rest of the day plays out, snow chances sticking around for the rest of the day. Temperatures dip into the upper 20s to around 30 degrees. We'll stay below freezing, but again, after midnight, we're drying things out. Wind chills, by the way, in the teens. 13 is what it feels like in Hillsborough, And then out towards Happy Valley, only 7. That's what it feels like out there. 14 at the airport. Here's your look at your forecast for Thursday. We'll see a little sunshine, but it'll be tough to get any of that stuff to melt as temperatures probably won't make it above freezing in most locations. 7-day forecast, highs in the 30s all the way through Monday. Saturday night into Sunday, we may see a little bit more snow moving in, so watch that closely, but I think it's going to be getting through this. This is the big storm that had all the moisture moving in, so this is going to be a bigger snowmaker for us. So again, we've added on maybe another inch or 2 to what we were thinking last night, but most areas, again, between 1 to 3 inches, isolated areas, seeing a little more for Portland Metro, and of course, just like we thought, Bend getting hit hard, Central Oregon getting hit the hardest.
Gotcha. Okay, thank you for the update. We're going to check back with you in a little bit.